Hi guys, if you want to insert checkbox in Google Docs like this, then let's see how to do it. So here is the first method. To insert the checkbox, simply select the line or paragraph where you want to insert the checkbox. Let's say I want to insert here, so I'll select them. And after selecting the lines or paragraph, simply go to this checklist menu, simply click on it, and now here you will be able to see two types of checkbox. This is the checkbox with a strike through option, and this is without a strike through. So from here you can select any checkbox you want. Let's say I want to insert checkbox with a strike through, so I'll simply select it, and the checkbox will be inserted. You can see we have inserted the checkbox with a strike through option. So here it is. And if you want to insert checkbox without a strike through, simply select the line or paragraph and then go to the checklist menu, and from here select the checkbox without a strike through. And now the checkbox without a strike through will be inserted. You can see. So this is how you can easily insert the checkbox in Google Docs. And in case if you are looking for the keyboard shortcut to insert checkbox, then let's see the second method. To insert checkbox using the keyboard shortcut key, first of all, select the line or paragraph where you want to insert the checkbox. Let's say I want to insert here, and then simply press the shortcut keys Ctrl+Shift+9 on your keyboard, and the checkbox will be inserted into your Google Docs. Here you can see. Now let's see the next method. You can also make a checkable box in Google Docs using the format section. So for that, first of all, select the lines or paragraph where you want to add the checkable box. Let's say I want to add here, so I'll select them. And once you select the lines or paragraph where you want to add the checkable box, next go to the format section here, and then go to the bullets and numbering menu, and then click on checklist menu. And now from here you can select the checkbox you want, either with a strike through or without a strike through. Let's say I want to select the checkbox without a strike through, so I will select this option, and the checkbox will be inserted into your Google Docs. Here you can see. So that's it guys. This is how you can easily insert checkbox in Google Docs. If you like this video, please subscribe the channel.